Hi guys, welcome back to the third episode of our 350Z project. I don't know if you've seen or not, but we were in Jack Performance magazine. There's a nice double page spread, so get yourself a copy. We should be in the next 4, 5, 6, 7 episodes following along with the project and updating with various jobs that we're doing on the car. So at the end of the last one, I left you saying wheels and airlift suspension was on the way. Hopefully, by the time I finish recording this, we may have some deliveries, fingers crossed. So, the car, when it was left last time, had a pretty dull engine bay. So while we're waiting for the new deliveries to come, we're going to get on and we're going to fit some nice parts and spruce up the engine bay and make it look a lot better. This is how the engine bay looks now, and we'll show you how it's going to look just as soon as Bob's finished. Right, so now the engine bays, majority of it's done. We've gone for a red, black and carbon theme. We've gone for the complete red master hose kit. We'll be doing this one in red, black and blue. We've got the Tarmac Sportz strut brace with the red feet. We've got nickel plated plenum. We went for nickel plated because nickel keeps its shine better. Polished is okay, I've had polished in the past, but you do have to do a lot more upkeep with that, so we went for the nickel plated this time. That's from a guy on the forum called Moped Mark, and he also got us one of these core braces which had a lovely chrome shine to the engine bay, so we've gone for that. I went for the Burke Z-tube induction pipe in chrome as well. We've got the carbon fibre Tarmac Sportz slam panel, carbon fibre engine bay cover, carbon fibre battery covers, and we've gone for an epoxy air filter. So very much black red carbon theme going on here. I think you'll agree it looks 100 times better. We've still got a few finishing touches to do to it, but they should be coming in the next few weeks, and we'll keep you updated. Now, in the time that's passed, we have had a couple of deliveries, so I'm going to take you into the shop and we'll see what's turned up. So, as you can see, we've had deliveries this afternoon. Like a bus, you wait for a week and then all of a sudden you get two at the same time. So we're going to be busy. We've got the airlift, we've gone for the 3P, that's going to suit our needs perfectly. So that's something that we're going to be fitting in the next vlogs. And of course we've got these wheels. Now I did big them up because I've never seen them in the UK, and as far as I can make out, they've not been sold or put on any vehicles in the UK so far. So here is the new wheel.